Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Mindset. Who doesn't like playing video games, right? They have always been a consistent source of amusement since before this age of technology. And now, with the advent of the internet in every field of life, people of all age groups have become involved in playing in a lot of different types of video games. Now, if we told you that you could actually earn money while playing these games, how would you feel? To know how, watch the video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to make money playing video games. Make sure you're watching to the very end to learn about all the ways we are talking about. Number 1, start a YouTube channel. Like for all other things, YouTube is one of, if not the biggest, potential earner on this list. PewDiePie, the famous YouTuber, was the 6th highest paid YouTuber in 2017, earning a whopping $12 million, and had initially started off with basic video game commentary. Some things you can do on your YouTube channel to gain a following are: use entertaining commentary and add effects to make your videos more interesting and engaging, as NightBlue3 does. Record popular video games such as Gary's mod of Fortnite with your friends and others, as Vaznos Gaming does. Teach people how to play the game better with guides, tutorials, and commentary explaining why you make certain decisions in the game, as Metaphor does. Review new games and help people decide if a game is worth buying or not. Live stream games and record Let's Play style videos where you show off a game or play through the story, as Let's Play does. Record playthroughs of a game, new or old, where you comment on the story and read the text out loud, or do speedruns or restricted runs of the game, as Tetra Ninja does. The majority of your money will come from ads and sponsorships on YouTube. To get ads, you need to become a YouTube partner, which requires the following: have more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, and have more than 1,000 subscribers. Once you meet those requirements, you can apply. If you're approved, you can start displaying ads on your videos and making some money. But the big money comes from the sponsorships from game developers and companies who sell game merch, such as gaming chairs. Number 2, get signed on an esports team. Esports players earn an average of $1,000 to $5,000 a month, or about $60,000 a year. It's grown massively since its inception in the late 90s, and it is not stopping anytime soon. Top games paying players include Dota 2, Counter-Strike, League of Legends, StarCraft 2, and Fortnite. The best way to become a pro player is to focus on a single game, get extremely good, and use other platforms to show off your skills like Twitch and YouTube. In fact, most players have found and signed on thanks to these platforms. However, you don't have to be a player to make money in esports. There are multiple other career paths, such as hosting esports events, coaching other online players, streaming and commentating on esports matches, acting as a referee, sales and marketing specialist, or social media manager for a team or game producer. Get started now. Number 3, video game coaching. One of the coolest ways to make money playing video games is by offering to coach on your favorite competitive game. Video game coaches make anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour, depending on how good they are and how in demand their services are. For example, Metaphor, a League of Legends coach mentioned in the YouTube section, offers coaching services for $50 to $80 an hour. Getting started as a coach typically means gaining an audience through a platform like YouTube and offering your services to your audience. And that brings us to the end of this guide on how to make money playing video games. The best method is combining several of these strategies together, i.e. streaming on Twitch, uploading recordings to YouTube, and competing in tournaments. Number 4, become a video game tester. This is one of the coolest ways to make money by playing video games. Game developers will pay game testers to try out their games in a real player environment. They are paid to spot bugs and make suggestions on how to improve the game. The national average pay for video game testers in the US is $67,813 a year. However, keep in mind that just because you're getting paid to play video games doesn't mean the job is just like your average gaming session on the couch. It's still a lot of hard work. For example, game testers have to do a matrix testing. Let's say you're testing a fighting game like Mortal Kombat. A matrix test means you play all 20 characters versus all 20 characters one-on-one, one match at a time, to determine how each character matches up. That's over 8,000 matches. You'll also have to test every nook and cranny of the game, trying to find every glitch and bug, taking meticulous notes along the way. This job is best for those who are very analytical and methodical. If that doesn't describe you, this might not be the job for you, but this isn't the only way to get paid to play. Number 5, stream on Twitch. As many of you might be knowing, Twitch is a streaming platform where viewers can watch others play their favorite video games. Popular Twitch streamer Ninja made $10 million in 2018 from ads, sponsorships, and Twitch subscribers. And he's not alone. Combined, the top 10 Twitch streamers made over $20 million in 2017. Of course, that's not typical. The average Twitch streamer earns closer to $10,000 to $40,000 a year. Still a decent revenue stream. To get started making money on Twitch, you must become a Twitch partner. And to do that, you need to have at least 500 total minutes broadcast in the last 30 days, at least 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days, an average of 3 concurrent viewers or more over the last 30 days, and at least 50 followers. Once you become a partner, you can start earning money from subscribers and displaying ads on your channel. Of course, you can also get sponsorships from gaming companies just like you can on YouTube. Number 6, work as a video game journalist or customer service for a game company. Another avenue is through journalism. Most video game journalists earn about $26,000 a year, making it one of the lowest income opportunities on this list. But if you love games and you love writing and reporting, this is a great opportunity and you can earn much more as your skill increases. To get started as a journalist, you'll most likely need a bachelor's degree in journalism and some journalistic experience, like the school paper and/or an internship. Speaking of internships, an unpaid internship is a great way to get your foot in the door as a game journalist. Like every other industry, gamers also need customer support. Becoming a customer service rep for a game company is a great way to get paid in the video game industry. The average customer service representative makes $13.64 an hour, with some making up to $20 an hour. Landing this job is more about your customer service skills than your gaming skills. You have to be good with people and have excellent communication skills. Getting an internship is one of the best ways to get started on this career path. Number 7, farm in-game currency. Next up on this list is a good old-fashioned grinding for gold. Many MMOs have a farmable in-game currency that people who don't feel like spending their own time earning it can simply pay you for it. However, this is probably the most time-consuming and lowest-paying opportunity on this list, next to customer service work. Number 8, create and sell video game-inspired merchandise. Again, this is the very coolest way to get paid to play, is by creating and selling your own game-inspired merchandise. Just go on Etsy and type Legends of Zelda. You get over 16,000 results of t-shirts, figurines, coffee mugs, and more. If you take this route, it means you're creating a business. The sky is the limit on how much you can make, but getting up to $50,000 a year is possible with the right product and good marketing skills. To get started on this, you'll either need to dropship goods for places like AliExpress, manufacture the products yourself, or find a supplier to work with to create the products for you. Number 9, compete in tournaments. While not a consistent source of money, unless you're extremely talented, winning game tournaments for competitive games like Call of Duty, League of Legends, or Fortnite can net you some serious cash. One of the world's top esports competitive, Timothy Miller, aka Bizzle, earns around $322,000 a year participating in Fortnite tournaments. This is probably the easiest way to make money playing video games, but also not a big earner unless you're really good at the game and consistently win. Number 10, become a game developer. Another way to earn as a gamer is to actually develop the games yourself. Game developers at major companies like Ubisoft or EA earn an average salary of $83,000. However, jobs for major game companies are notoriously stressful and tend to force you to work long hours and holidays. Alternatively, you can become a solo game developer and make money through game sales and in-game purchases. For example, Minecraft was developed solely by Marcus Persson and his company Mojang. Mojang sold to Microsoft for a whopping $2.5 billion. Another solo example is game developer Finn Bryce, founder of Chucklefish and creator of the hit game Stardew Valley, which earned $24 million in 2016, which was more than Call of Duty. We hope you are able to find something that suits you along with your playing ability, so get started and start earning. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!